Alright guys, so this is the last part of the shoot. Show now I go and see it.
Alright.
So we're on a nice beach here. Nice beach out here. Out of it. So now this is our shoot.
You don't know the song you can card with you because it's next media.
I got beach trip. You never used to go beach trip? Oh yeah, I said. When everybody's party there, man. When me younger, I used to go. Oh. I want them for color. Most? Nice. Our service down there. Oh, good. Welcome to Winifred Beach, guys. Yeah, guys, welcome back again, as it. I don't know, so we're there at Winifred Beach. I'm going to show now I go and take as much as thing I can show now. So I'm just stay tuned, see way. We're going to do a photo shoot today, is it? Yeah man, so I'm going to go and like and share, see me, is it? Yeah, next media. Yeah guys, we're at Winifred Beach. Yeah man, go and like and go and subscribe. I would hear the government and say this beach is actually gonna be open to the public, like it's gonna be a public beach soon. Cause at this moment it is not a public beach. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Like, share and subscribe. What am I saying? It's a good look then, man. The rest of them video that makes sense. We have to start some more behind the scene. You ready to stay a few? Are you not ready yet? You want to stay a few? Ready, man. Never that shy of yourself, man.
I'm not shy.
Yeah, that's. Alright, so that's short behind the scene then. Alright, no problem. Big up in the sun. Yes, sir? Yeah, I like how you just clear the background. Really look nice. I like the angle. Yeah, the angle is nice. Mm-hmm. Models right there. And teach it. Alright. Yeah. Yeah,
And then this is like when it's at the last. When it's up the down, right? Yeah, right? And this is a random one. I think it's... Oh, this must be on it.
Yeah, why am I walking?
Yes. Yeah. And I like this. Really show you this next one. This is just like... We're not going to do that closer.
You take off the clock? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. No, forget that water. No, remember say the lens there, not forget too far. So I like you forget that water. I share what is it? Ah! Free of you.
Good. Good picture.
Alright.
One more. Go on again. Yeah.
Go on for instructor now.
And be firm with your hand, right?
Yeah,
Be
but
firm.
I feel like you probably have to hold the camera go.
Be firm, be strong, be strong.
But she'll cover it. She'll not watch it.
Whoa. Mind stuff on your foot.
Yeah.
You got too long now. Be strong, man, be strong. Hold on. Go start the up on her now. Let's see it like this.
Never think it through.
What's the battery one?
Hey. Come. One hand here. Wait. You know it.
Okay.
Oh, it has to keep running. Up here.
Kim.
Yeah, but I just keep over our head. Over your head, you know.
Look, the horse. Here.
Up with the weight. Yeah, 1, 2. Baby. Yeah, you're right, good, sorry. Yeah, up more. 1, 2, 3. Up, quick. Over. Good, that's it. Good. Down back here.
Ready?
Look. Use the foot and left. I hold on to it. Come on a little bit more. Yeah, good. Yeah, with the doors and everything. Yeah, it's a door. The room's on a little bit. I hold on to it.
Yeah. Try it.
Yeah, right. And pull her back. Right, good.
Yeah, but you did that.
Yeah, man, you're good.
So you can wash your foot in it.
If I don't want to go with her, though, and I do.
Right here, so good, yeah, like. And here, I can go and separate you and make it look like you're pro, you're right.
Yeah.
It looks too...
Give me something like I'll show you. Next time.
May I have it?
Yeah.
Lighting good? Come on, give me that poster, man. What you do? What do me that? Ah! Good.
Alright, look at that one.
Sure. Sure and see if you like it. Yeah.
That looks pretty good. Let me try it. Take one more rib. Ooh. Thanks.
Look. Look at what's there, right. Yeah, right. Done? You want to go? Yeah. What's in the water? Yeah, what else?
I was still
They don't have enough that thing to do. Yeah. I try to bring her up some more.
Yeah, do that.
Whoa. No, I have to bring her back out here. Whoa.
I'm not afraid of this, though.
No, when I put that thing, I don't like that one. Leave now.
Alright, take that now.
See that thing, you know. Yeah, see. Oh, girl, up here. Okay. I think they're kind of good. Put that thing in there.
Yeah, try that now.
But the license plate, because she don't want to see this stuff. Alright.
Try that. Ready?
And straight up ahead. The other side, yeah. Separate, just one each side. Yeah, pull it. No, this one. Okay. Right, and you have to loop together. Okay, Thumbelina, go easy.
Alright.
Done?
Yeah, guys, we are going so far now, man. I see it. Yeah, man, the picture them come out good so far. First, me ever do a shoot like this. So, I don't know you got already. Shoot are going good.
Ooh,
Yeah,
there it is.
up and running.
Is it the
Yeah, guys. This is a mighty rain. Yeah, rain at the bikini at the Winifred beach, people. Rain come down. Be rain. I look like it's all up in a bro. Jaja. I look so tall. Like it's worse than now. Guys, so this is the last part of the shoot. Show now I go and see here.
Alright.
Showing a nice beach here. Nice beach out here. Out of it. Then this is our shoot. What? That's the shoot 2, you know, guys. Outfit number 2. I want to shoot now, guys. She feel leaner. Yeah, that's so good. You feel like? Yeah, lean. Yeah. Much better. Yeah guys, so we done the shoot and one thing. I just wash off my face and thing. That's why I look so wet up and thing, you see it? Yeah.
You don't know the Syrian, you can carve it, you have to go to the next.